Hello friends, it's your girl Goldilocks here, and I just wanted to show you my mini haul from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby is definitely my favorite craft store. Dollar Tree is great, but just something about Hobby Lobby is just amazing. Speaking of amazing, I found this yarn at Hobby Lobby. I've been wanting like that really big yarn that's been popular lately, but it can be very expensive, especially for crafts. So I found this on the clearance rack. I already did a project on it. There it is. Real quick. There's a video already posted on it, so please go check it out. I guess I'll put it here on the screen. Love that yarn. So I also picked up this really nice bouquet of flowers. If you guys saw my Gucci video, this bouquet will look familiar because it's pretty much the same. Well, I don't know actually if it's exactly the same, but it's very similar to that beautiful bouquet that I had in that video. But this one is a little lighter, pink and white flowers, which are perfect for the springtime. So I really look forward to using that bouquet. Now, I found these. I have no idea what these are. I've just been calling them tassels. I don't know if they're tassels. I just found them. These are, I'm not sure if you were able to tell the exact color, but they're this beautiful like light pink. I actually found them in the wedding section, so I don't know if they're meant for I don't know. I just knew I had to have them. They're so cute. They're like $1.29 each, as you can see from the price tag there, and they are just so cute. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna use these. Maybe I'll use them in like a little doll like I did back there, or maybe I'll use them in one of my containers. I don't know, but I just love them and I think they're really fun. These I had to have. I love like felt stickers. I love like gluing them to stuff. I think they're so cool. And I just saw these animals, which are like, you know, party favors or whatever. There's 8 in there. I just thought they were the cutest thing ever. We have a bear, raccoon, fox, and I think that's a hedgehog. So that should be a really fun idea, especially for kids items. And last but certainly not least, this is actually the first item I found in the store and I had to have them. I think these were like $3.99. And they're these gold, I believe the material is vinyl leaves that just sparkle. Like, I was blinded when I saw them. I just thought they were so freaking cute. I don't know, I just think they're really pretty and I just had to have them. Don't know what I'm doing with any of this, but I'm gonna come up with something amazing and hopefully you guys will be here with me. So if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you like and subscribe, hit the notification button so we can do this again sometime soon. And I'll just let you guys vibe out and enjoy the rest of the video. You have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.